How can somebody build an Amazon PPC portfolio without prior experience, depending on the level that you're right now? If you don't have any experience, you would just go to someone and say, hey, I have no experience. I am responsible. I'm loyal. I am seeing these things. I'm learning these things. Would you allow me to try out these experiments that I'm seeing right now that are working for other people? If they say yes, amazing. Now, this is from your honest point of view, right? What you can also do is still have at least some experience. So in this scenario, what we would be doing is allow me to share my story and my journey. How did I ended up with providing services? In my case, 6 years ago, when I transitioned into marketing from music production, I was taking a course on FBA, or how to have your own private label brand and then ship it via FBA, so fulfilled by Amazon. That was the reason why I learned so much about advertising, even if I did not have exactly how to do it, or I did not do it on my own. But I did have knowledge and it was good information. And the brand that I was discussing with, it was social media. So the job offer was for social media. But when I saw that, okay, I can take over their social media side, I saw that, hey, they are also selling on Amazon, and they were successfully selling on Amazon $20,000, $30,000 per month for the one product, and on the German marketplace, which back then it was still considered successful for the amount of effort that they put into the product. So I said, hey, I'm seeing that you're already doing this on Amazon. It's bringing this much income on Amazon. Allow me to take that part over, because I'm quite confident that the fact that you're not running at all ads, whatever I would bring to the table, it's going to help you, right? So in that case, I already had the knowledge, I already had the training. Literally, I did not have a hands-on experience. But my main job, it was not Amazon ads. My main job, it was still social media. So that's why I'm saying that if you don't have a previous experience, you can still talk your way into, hey, I already have this knowledge. Hey, this is how I would think. If you are a second grader or third grader to someone who is a kindergarten or first grader, they would trust you based on whatever you're sharing with them. Now, this is really important, that you should not be as your way up, but be honest. Like, this is what I know. This is what I do. This is what I'm expecting. Allow me to also apply that to whatever I'm seeing, and then people are going to trust you. So that is going to be a good way to start, right?